Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So we are again back with some of the job updates. This time we have two software development roles and rest all are mass recruiting companies. So let's get started. So the very first job is Cadence and they are looking for software engineering one. So freshers can apply for this job. The location will be Noida and your key responsibilities will be debugging and troubleshooting, designing and development. And you should be having knowledge on C programming languages or x84 assembly language. You should be knowing the knowledge of Unix and Linux operating systems, and you should be good at problem solving skills. You can check out our interview experience on Cadence. The link will be flashing up here. The next job update is from Groupon. Groupon is looking for SD1 off campus and they are only looking for 2022 CS pass outs. So, what they want from CS 2022 pass outs, they must demonstrate strong coding abilities, ability to apply creative problem solving skills, and any company would be requiring strong desire to learn and growth. And you should be able to work within the team. You should be having knowledge of data structures and algorithm as it's an SD role. Now talking about cat results are out. It came out yesterday only, and many of you might have performed exceptionally well and might be getting calls from good colleges. But there might be someone who has not scored very much and got an 80 percentile or 90 percentile score. Don't worry, an academy has brought you a scholarship for CAT 2021 droppers. There will be 30% off if you have scored 80% and above in your CAT 2021. If you want to start again for CAT 2022, this is a opportunity which you can grab on. Also, GDPI and WAT preparations for CAT and OMAT 2021 will be available, and all the links for these programs will be in the description box below. Along with that, new batches are starting from today. Weekday evening batch of CAT 2022 and CAT and OMAT 2022 batches for engineering students. You can also go there and check them out. Don't forget to use our code BSW10 to avail special discounts on it. If you are looking for CAT 2022, so an academy is offering 22% off, which is only for today. So if you are going to opt for a class or any of a subscription, then you can opt for it. The link will be in the description box below. Don't forget to use our code BSW10 to get extra discount on whatever courses an academy is offering you. The next job update is from Infosys, offering a role of process executive. Work experience should be 0 years, and the location is Pune. Also, the requirements are you should be strong in writing and verbal communications, and you should be able to solve issues like internet issues, connectivity, Wi-Fi, call blocking, setting up email, and etc. Basically, the preferred skill is customer service. The next job update is from Accenture. They are giving a role of system and application service associate. You can come up here and read what role is all about. So mainly it's about app cloud engineering, project control services, automations, etc. So 2022 batches is eligible for it. And one key thing I noticed here is maximum 1 year of gap in education is only allowed. So you just need need to click on the link and come up here, fill all the details, then rest all company will contact you. Next up is Cognizant, offering a Gen C programming trainee role for batches of 2020 and 2021. So the CTC will be 2.5 lakhs per annum, and eligible students are 2020 and 2021 pass out students of IT, computer science, BCA, BSc. You should be having 60% and above in your 10th, 12th diploma or UG. Coming to the another job that Cognizant is offering, it's a Gen C HR internship, and since it is a HR position, you should be good in communication skills, time management skills, should be proficient in MS Excel and MS PowerPoint, and since it is an internship, it will be for 4 to 6 months. The last job update is from Capgemini. They are looking for grads of 2019 and 2020. So uh, all what are the criteria for the job? So it should be a BE/BTech student, score of 50% and above in their graduation as well as 11th 12th. And this is the process. Like there will be first assessment, then MCQ based on English for communication, game based aptitude test, behavioral competency profile, and then technical and HR. So there are total of five. So there are total of five phases, and test and all. And the last date of registration is January 9, and test sessions will start from 14. That's it for the job update, guys. All the links will be in the description box below. You can go and check them out. Also share it with your friends, those who are looking for jobs and also want to switch their jobs. We have our Telegram channel too. All the updates regarding the channel are first put up there, including our blogs, placement series, and job updates. So you can definitely go and join the group. तब तक के लिए friends, take care and prepare.